Hello guys, hope you're doing good. Well, today we are going to fix 100 disk usage, and the steps which I'm going to share are very easy. And I'll be also explaining that why we are doing those steps so that you can understand. So please watch the whole video. Step 1. Disable sysmain superfetch. So the very first thing, we just have to press Window key and R key together on a keyboard. So it will open up the window like this, or you can simply do a right click in the start icon and click on Run. And here you just have to type services.msc. And once you type services.msc, just click on OK. So once the services window is opened, we will select any of the files here and we will type S. And now we are looking for sysmain. So basically sysmain is a superfetch service which actually makes applications available for you. So let's say if I'm using Chrome every time. So what happens whenever we restart the computer, Windows 10 decides that, okay, this user wants to use Chrome because he always uses it, so they make it available. So disabling this won't affect anything, so you can simply just do a right click and go to Properties. And from here, just select Disabled and then click on Apply and then OK. Once this is done, just right click and stop. So we have stopped it, and next time when we will restart this service will not be active. Now the next service which we are looking for is Connected User Connected Device Platform Service. So this service is actually not used by many, and we can disable that. It will not affect anything. So we will just do a right click and click on Stop. And then we will just do a right click again and go to Properties. And here we will select Disabled and Apply. So once this is done, we will move to the next step because all the steps are very important. Step 2. Turn off scheduled optimization. Click on the Start icon, and then I'll type File Explorer like this and open File Explorer. Now I'll maximize it, and from the left-hand side, look for this PC. So I'll just select that. Now here I have only one drive, and that is an SSD drive. So I'll just select it. The main drive where your operating system is installed. So most of us actually install Windows on C drive, so I'll be doing a right click. You can also do that. And then go to Properties. And here we are going to Tools, and then Optimize and Defragment Drive. So I'll click on Optimize. Now make sure it is turned off. So scheduled optimization is also a thing which causes 100% disk usage. So either if it's saying turn on, just turn it off from here like this. Just like this, you just have to click on Change Settings. Uncheck this, click on OK and close. Step 3. Check for Windows updates. In the search bar, type Update and go to Update Settings or check for updates. So make sure you install all the latest updates. Sometimes a specific patch from Microsoft causes the issue, so updating the Windows fixes the problem in most of the cases. So make sure you have the latest available updates, and you should have installed that. Once this is done, restart the computer. Step 4. Disable unwanted startup programs. And we will move to the final step, which is just do a right click and click on this task manager. And I'll go to Startup, and here make sure all unwanted applications should be disabled. So let's say if I'm not using Slack, so I'll just do a right click and I'll click on Disable. Since it is already disabled, it's asking me to enable. So make sure you're not disabling any graphics or any Microsoft important services. Only the things which you know that you do not want those applications at the startup. Like if you're using Skype or any other application, you can use it. It just will not be opening up in the startup. Let me know if you have any kind of issues or still the issue is there. I'll try my best to fix your problem. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.